In this video we're going to show you how to remove this tail light on a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a 2019 model year. You might want to do this to replace the tail light itself or to replace any of the light bulbs. And in this case we have a turn signal down here, breaks out LED, so it's not likely you're going to need to replace them. If the LED brake lights do go bad, you'll have to replace the whole tail light on these. They're really challenging to repair. So once you open the hatch, right here we have two screws, and these are Phillips screws. You take the screwdriver and just remove them. Okay. And then remove the lower one as well. Once you do that, then you'll take the tail light, grab it right here, and then pull it towards the back. You see there? It slides right there. It also has two pins that go there and there. You can see them right here. Now on the back here, we have the turn signal and the brake light. Because this is an LED brake light, once you remove this cap, then you need to disconnect the electrical connector right down here. You need to press on this. It's a little bit hard to see, but you press on that and then pull it. Here's the old brake light. Now here we are replacing this tail light. And in order to replace the whole tail light, you can see the connector is actually inside the car. If you're only replacing just the light bulb, this is pretty simple. Slides in there, slide out, twist it back in the tail light. But we need to disconnect this right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull that out, press on the connector right there, and then pull that, and that's it. This is all coming off. Okay, so we're going to take the new tail light, make sure that clicks. Now make sure that this rubber piece right here is sitting properly and flush, because that is to prevent water going into the vehicle. So once that's on there, these are good, and these are connected here and they're tight. So what we're going to do is we're going to line these up with that, and then these two pins, and then we're going to push forward. First I'm lining up that back right there. Now I'm going to push the whole tail light. You can see that went fairly easy. And then we'll just put these two screws here, and that's it. Thank you for watching.